Hi, this is Eric with Aimco Manufacturing. In this video, we're going to look at a Gorbel bridge crane system suspended with a trolley platform and an Aimco straight arm jib. We've got a single rotation right underneath the platform, and with that, we've got an air brake system that locks our system down so we can travel straight back and forth. We have a power tilt for plus or minus 5 degrees. And we also have our standard vertical slide handle for ergonomic placement of the operator's hands. This tool is designed to pick and place floor pans that go into automobiles. We don't have a sample part on this particular unit, so instead we're going to pick and place the sheet metal. What we want to do is align the part left to right, hold our brake for the trolley platform, and go in straight. To clamp the part, we hold our common button and the clamp button. To release the part, again, we held common button to energize the unclamp button. And that's our system, serial AIM6351. Thanks for watching.